YouTube Shorts maximum RPM is $0.01 to $0.06, and on 1 million views, you get just $60. That is complete bullshit. Worst part is that Shorts featuring famous celebrities like Mr. Beast, iShowSpeed, or Cristiano get the most views on YouTube, but we both know such edited shorts are not monetizable. But what if you could bypass the YouTube Partner Program entirely? Start with 0 subscribers and earn $1,500 to $5,000 every single month. Yes, this is 100% possible because Mr. Beast has launched his own platform, Vyro, where they provide raw videos from multiple creators, and all you need to do is edit them and upload on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. That is totally your choice. Such videos easily get millions of views because of famous celebrities and interesting concepts, and Mr. Beast is paying $1,500 per million views, way beyond what YouTube pays, and you are not restricted or affected by any reused content policies. Today, I am going to show you how to register on Vyro, enroll into campaigns, edit a video live, and I will also show you exactly how to make content that always gets approved and makes your real dollars for every view you get. First of all, simply search for Vyro on Google and head to the first website. So Vyro is actually a clipping platform by Mr. Beast, where brands and big creators share their videos, and creators like us just edit them and upload them on our own social media, and in return they pay you real money. If you click on how it works, you can see the actual steps you need to follow to enroll into campaigns. The interesting part is that new campaigns keep coming over time. You create and post content on social media, and as your video gets views, you will see money being added directly in your Vyro dashboard. Now, the most important thing is that if you try to buy fake views, their system will automatically detect it, and you will be permanently banned from Vyro. So just do not be greedy. To start, simply click on sign up from the top and continue with your Google account. Next, it will ask you to write your actual birth date, and it is good to write your real birth date, but just make sure whatever date you add must be 18 or above so you do not face any restrictions. On the next step, make sure to go with I am a creator, and then on this page, you just need to give your account a name and add a profile picture to look authentic. When you click on continue, you need to select your country and your language, and now comes the most important part, where you have to link your social media account where you will post your content. With Vyro, you have 2 options to link your account. Either you completely link it with Vyro, which means giving Vyro some permissions to view your channel, or you can add a code to your channel bio, which Vyro will analyze to approve your channel ownership. But in case of the code, they will give you only 75% of your total revenue, so I would suggest linking your social account directly, and just like that, your Vyro account has been successfully created, and this is your dashboard. On the top right, you will see Manage Earnings, and this is your exact earning dashboard where your live earnings will be reflected. When your earnings are higher than $0, this Add Account option will become clickable, and using it, you can link your Stripe or PayPal account to receive payouts directly in your wallet. In the campaign section, you will see all the active campaigns, and on a daily and weekly basis, new campaigns keep coming in. Some campaigns even pay $3 per 1,000 views, which is literally a lot of money. Once you click on a campaign, you can see a timer on the side. Always keep an eye on it, because that is the total number of days this campaign will be active, so you need to post your content within this time frame. Now make sure to read the rules of the campaign, because if you do not follow them, your video will be rejected. The most important thing is that if you just add their video in CapCut, apply auto captions, and call it done, it is going to be rejected on the spot. They have clearly written this in most campaigns. You will see reference examples of the type of content you have to make, and honestly, it is so easy that in an hour, your top-notch video will be ready. Make sure to check out what external footage you can use. In Mr. Beast's campaign, they have clearly stated that you can even take videos directly from any of Mr. Beast's channels listed there. Make sure to read the criteria as well as the requirements section carefully, because in requirements, they will provide you hashtags that you must add in your video, and the minimum video length is literally 15 seconds, meaning anything above 15 seconds will be acceptable. In the end, just click on Join Campaign, and you will be inside inside the campaign. Guys, making this video took serious efforts, so before you proceed, just make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Now, in this particular campaign, I have full freedom to take any of Mr. Beast's official videos from his channel that are from 2026 and pick any part from them for my edit. But not all campaigns are like this. In some campaigns, they will give you video clips in a drive, but in this one, I have full freedom, and that is the most interesting part because I can pick any clip that has the most potential. And do not worry about copyright because Mr. Beast actually wants you to use his videos. That is exactly what this campaign is about. Now, I have already finalized one of Mr. Beast's videos, which is 50 YouTube Legends Fight for $1 million because it has the least amount of views from all of his videos in the last 3 months. Since this video did not reach a wider audience, making a short on it has a higher chance of attracting viewers who love Mr. Beast's content but never saw this video. Now, what you have to do is simple. In the edit, always make sure to use the video's original voiceover and never use any AI-generated voiceover or explanations. From the video, you need to strategically take out the most interesting parts, participant reactions, and stuff like that. First, when you place the clip on the timeline, make sure to select 9:16, and after that, do not stretch the video to full screen because a lot of important content will just go out of the frame. Instead, stretch it to somewhere in the middle and then copy the clip and paste it again. Now select the lower clip and stretch it to full screen or even a little more than full screen. Go to the Adjust tab and turn the brightness to -10 or -15. Turn saturation down by 5 to 10 points and increase the contrast by 5 to 10 points. Then go to Effects and search for the blur effect. Drop it directly on the lower clip and keep its value exactly at 50. Now you will see this grid effect, which you might have seen in many viral edits, and it looks so much better than empty black spaces. Now take out the most interesting parts from the video, specific segments, and audience reactions and make a story out of them. That is on your creative thinking. To make things even more engaging, you can add certain stickers or PNG elements. For example, if Mr. Beast talks about a Lamborghini, you can add a Lamborghini picture on the screen. Similarly, you can draw attention to a certain action or activity using arrows and circles. And if you want a particular arrow or circle to follow a person or object, you can just go to Tracking and enable motion tracking. You can place the small square area on a face, object, or whatever you want your sticker or text to track. On top of that, you can also add transitions to make your video even more engaging. Whenever a new clip or location appears, you can add a camera or flash effect, and along with that effect, you can use a camera shot sound effect to make it sound natural. You can also use the paper transition, which is one of the most popular and viral transitions, and on this transition, you can add a paper tearing or crumpling sound effect. Your mentality should always be about making a viral piece, not just a video that gets approved by Vyro, because when your aim is making a viral hit, Vyro will automatically see your efforts and approve your video, and such videos are honestly the easiest ones to go viral. Now, I will tell you a powerful secret. At some points when Mr. Beast is talking, you can add a jump cut zoom effect, but if you just cut a clip and zoom into the next part, it will look awkward because the eye level ratio will look off in a random zoom. Instead, what you can do is click on the 3 lines on the side, then go to Guide and Rulers and add a horizontal guide. Place this guide on the normal clip exactly at the eye level, just like this. Now move to the zoomed clip and make sure to place the eye level of Mr. Beast exactly on this ruler, and now the zoom cut will not look random at all. Head back to 3 lines, Guides and Rulers, and click on Clear Guides, and it will go away. In Final, go to Captions and apply auto captions to your video. And using the built-in templates, you can pick a good template, but always choose a fast template. To make it even more outstanding, you can change the font and color of the template, and this small change will make a default template your own custom template. Regarding background music, which is very important, I suggest you upload your shorts from the YouTube mobile app and select a background music while uploading, because random stock or AI music cannot compete with trending viral music, and a video with YouTube's trending music has very high chances of going viral. Let me show you the final video.
I've gathered 50 YouTube legends, and whoever leaves this to last wins $1 million for their subscribers.
These creators built YouTube into what it is today.
In front of you are 5 Lamborghinis, one of which is made of cake. To move on, just choose one of the real Lamborghinis. Well, be careful which spot you choose, because if you choose the Cape Lamborghini, you'll be eliminated.
Got saved.
Which led to Philip DeFranco stealing a spot.
Oh! Is it 2? Wait, which one? Which one? Which one is it?
Mine is not cake. It's gonna be 2. Oh no!
Oh no, it's 4! It's 4!
At this point, just upload your video on the social account that you linked with Vyro, and then come back to Vyro, head to your campaign and click on Submit Post. Copy and paste your uploaded video link in here, select the social account that you attached with Vyro and where you uploaded your video, and click on Continue. From this step, your video is under review from the Vyro team, who will manually check it, and once it is approved, you will get paid once your video gets a minimum of 5,000 views. If you really want to make viral videos, you should learn some cool editing tricks that hook viewers by watching the video popping on the screen right now.